You look great. Hey guys, it's Lex and my girl Steph. Woohoo! We're coming to you live for the 100 squat session a day. We're going to do 20 right now. Everybody stand up if you can. Get your dog. All right, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so much better with a friend. 5, 6. Even the dog likes it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Get your heart rate up. 13, 14, 15. I couldn't feel yesterday. 16, 17, 18, 19. One more. 20. All right, y'all. You can do 20 real quick. Woo! And then just do that 5 times, and you got your 100. All right, y'all. Good luck, and woo! Have an awesome day.